Here's how to get a blank name on TikTok. Alright, let's dive in. Now, first of alright, open any browser on your phone. I'm using Brave. You can use Chrome, Safari, whatever you want. So just go on the search bar and search invisible character generator. Alright, search it. Confirm. Now go on the first website, EditPad. Click on it, and now click on copy to clipboard. Alright, now go back again on TikTok. Alright, now here go to your profile, click on edit, and here click on name and paste the. Alright, I can't change my name for 7 days, but yeah, you can just paste the code over here. You will not see it. After that, just click on save and you will be good to go. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.